Congratulations on joining the Trusted Signals family. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to claim access to everything in your purchase. The first thing that I want to go ahead and discuss is the Discord. We have a huge Discord chat and we're always talking. And if you want to go ahead and get the best support, there is where you're going to go ahead and find it. In order to join our Discord and add your roles, depending on what membership you just purchased, you're going to want to go ahead and click add account, add your Discord right to the backend and click claim access. Immediately, you will go ahead and see in the backend the roles that just came with your membership and be able to see all the premium chats within your membership. The next thing that we're going to go ahead and discuss is adding your Tradingview bots and indicators depending on what membership you have. The first thing that we're going to talk about is indicators. It's very simple to set up. All you have to go ahead and do is add your Tradingview username right here and then click claim indicators. Okay. And the second thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is claim access to your bots. And it's the same thing. You're going to want to go ahead and add your Tradingview username right here, claim indicators, and you will then see them populate on the back end of your Tradingview. And I will show you in the next video exactly where that is.